एक्टिव्हिस्ट काशीनाथ शेटयेन हायकोर्टान 3 जनहीत याचिका घातिल्ल्यो. हायकोर्टान ताची दखल घेतल्या.
I had filed a PIL in 2016 of regularization of unauthorized construction, which is admitted, and there is a ad interim in that. And then 2022, I had challenged the EHN numbers, that is also admitted, and it is expedited. Hearing is admitted. Today, connected matters were there of amendment for the unauthorized construction and Comunidad Land Revenue Act, and Majegar. I challenged all notices were waived by the government AG, and matter is kept on 3rd February for their reply.
वेगवेगळ्या कोमुनिदादींनी सरकाराच्या म्हजें घर येवजणेक आव्हान दीत 6 जनहीत याचिका घातिल्ल्यो. जाल्यार काशीनाथ शेटयेची इंडिव्हिज्युअल लेव्हलाचेर घातिल्ली याचिका ताका सरकारान आक्षेप घेतला.
Yes, I am a government servant, and I have filed it in a personal capacity. As a citizen, if I vote for BJP or Congress, I don't work for them or not. Citizen comes first, then government. There are so many n numbers of government judgment, which I have already answered in 2012 in Supreme Court.
तशेंच सरकाराच्या जमनीचेर आशिल्ली अनधिकृत घरां अधिकृत करपाच्या विधेयकाक आव्हान दीत सांखळेच्या दिक्षा वांयगणकारान हायकोर्टांत जनहीत याचिका घातिल्ली. हायकोर्टान हे याचिकेची दखल घेतल्या आनी गोंय सरकाराक नोटीस इश्यू केल्या. हाची लेगीत सुनावणी 3 फेब्रुवारीक जातली म्हूण म्हायती मेळटा. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.